Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Shubh. If you really want to improve your English speaking skills, this episode is going to help you a lot. The best way to improve English is not by memorizing grammar rules. It is by listening carefully, repeating, and speaking along with natural conversations. So today, we have a very natural, emotional, and realistic conversation between a boyfriend and a girlfriend. Listen carefully. Try shadowing. Repeat sentences after them. Feel the emotions. Imagine the situation. And very important, listen till the end. Because the last part of the conversation is very powerful and meaningful. Now relax. Take a deep breath and let's begin. Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing much. Just lying on my bed and scrolling my phone. What about you?
Same, I was watching some random videos. But honestly, I was thinking about you.
Oh, really? Thinking about me or just bored?
No, yeah, seriously. I was thinking we don't talk like before.
What do you mean?
I mean, earlier we used to talk for hours. Now, sometimes it feels like we just say good morning and good night.
I noticed that too. Life has become busy.
Busy or are we just taking each other for granted?
Don't say that. It's not like that.
Then what is it?
We both are working. We both are tired. It doesn't mean feelings are less.
I know, but sometimes I miss that old us.
Which old us?
The one who used to fight for talking 5 more minutes before sleeping. The one who used to share every small thing.
You still don't share everything.
Because sometimes I feel you're not interested.
That's not true. Sometimes I just don't know what to say.
Why? You can tell me anything.
Can I?
Of course.
Okay. Sometimes I feel scared.
Scared of what?
Scared that one day you will get bored of me.
What? That's stupid.
It's not stupid, it's a fear.
Why would I get bored of you?
Because I'm not perfect. I overthink, I get emotional, I fight over small things.
Everyone has flaws, even I have.
Like what?
I get angry fast, I don't express properly. Sometimes I ignore calls when I'm upset.
That really hurts, you know?
I know, and I'm sorry for that.
You say sorry, but then you do it again.
I'm trying to change.
Trying or just saying?
No, really trying. It's just not easy.
Relationships are not easy.
I never said they are.
Then why do we make them more complicated?
Because we expect too much.
What do you expect from me?
Just don't give up on me.
I never did.
Sometimes when you go silent, it feels like you're tired of me.
When I go silent, it means I'm thinking, not leaving.
About what?
About our future, and whether we are strong enough to handle it.
Are we not?
I don't know. Sometimes I feel very confident about us. Sometimes I feel scared.
Same here.
See? That's honesty.
You know what scares me the most?
What?
Losing you because of ego.
Ego destroys everything.
Then promise me we will talk before sleeping angry.
Even if we fight badly?
Especially then.
Okay, I promise.
And one more thing.
What now?
If someday I become distant, don't leave immediately. Pull me back.
I'm not your therapist.
I know, but you're my partner.
Then you also promise something.
Tell me.
If I overthink and create drama, don't say, "You're too much."
But sometimes you are.
Hey,
Okay. I promise I'll try to understand first.
thank you.
Can I ask something honestly?
Yes,
Do you still love me the same?
that question hurts.
Why?
Because love is not a measurement. It grows, it changes, but it doesn't reduce.
So that means yes?
Yes, stupid.
Then why do I sometimes feel insecure?
Because you think too much when I don't reply fast.
Yeah, that too.
I'm not ignoring you. Sometimes I'm just busy.
I know, but my mind creates stories.
Your mind needs discipline.
Teach me.
First rule, trust.
I trust you.
Then stop checking my last scene every 5 minutes.
Okay, that was personal.
I know you do it.
Fine, I'll reduce it.
Good.
I imagine our future sometimes.
Like what?
A small house, you cooking in the kitchen.
Excuse me? Why only me cooking?
Okay, we both cooking.
That's better.
And fighting over what to watch on TV.
And you snoring loudly.
I don't snore.
We'll see.
And maybe one day a small baby running around.
Slow down.
What? I'm just dreaming.
Dreams are nice.
Are you scared of commitment?
No, I'm scared of losing what we have now.
Why would we lose it?
Because responsibilities change people.
Then we will remind each other of who we were.
Promise?
Promise.
Sometimes I just want simple things.
Like?
Random calls, sudden I miss you messages, effort.
I can do that.
Not for 1 week, always.
I'll try.
Don't try, decide.
Okay, I decide.
Good.
And you?
I'll stop overthinking small things.
That's a big promise.
I'll decide.
That's my girl.
Don't say that like I'm your property.
I mean it lovingly.
I know, I'm just teasing.
You know what I realized?
What?
Love is not about big gifts or big surprises.
Then?
It's about staying even when it's boring.
Staying when it's difficult.
Staying when ego says leave.
Staying when misunderstandings happen.
Staying when mood is bad.
Staying when distance increases.
Just staying.
Together.
Always.
Arav.
Hmm?
Thank you.
For what?
For not giving up on us.
I never will.
Even if we fight tomorrow?
Especially then.
Okay, one last question.
Go ahead.
If one day everything goes wrong, will you still choose me?
Every single time.
Why?
Because love is not about perfect days. It's about choosing the same person on imperfect days.
That was deep.
I learned from you.
Liar.
Maybe.
I feel better now.
Me too.
We should talk like this more often.
Yes, not just small talks, real talks.
Real conversations build real relationships.
And real English practice.
What?
Nothing, just saying.
Idiot.
You're idiot.
Good night.
Good night, Meera.
Don't sleep angry.
I'm smiling.
Me too.
And that was today's conversation. If you listened carefully, you learned how to express emotions in English, how to talk about feelings naturally, how to argue politely, how to apologize, how to promise, how to speak softly but clearly. Now here's your task. Listen again, pause after every sentence, repeat it loudly, copy the tone, copy the emotion. Practice shadowing daily. If you practice like this for 30 days, your English speaking confidence will definitely improve. And if you enjoyed this conversation, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Maybe your boyfriend, maybe your girlfriend, or maybe just your best friend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Shubh for more real-life English conversations. And remember, English improves not by watching once, but by listening again and again. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep growing.